let's go fishing adventure, everyone. I don't actually know what I'm doing with this one. I'm trying to catch some cod, and the big river isn't that good, so I'm exploring some small rivers. Gonna be a hell of an adventure. Got the next 4 or 5 days at it. Gonna do some walking and hopefully put the roof topper in somewhere and just experiment, try a heap of new rivers, do some new stuff. So this afternoon I've only got about an hour of light left. I've got the hunchback on. I'm walking the banks of this little creek, flicking, see if I can find a fish, and then I might move a bit lower down in the system tomorrow, but see if we can start right up the top here and catch a fish. So I'm gonna get into it. The sun's going down. I'm gonna start casting this cormorant hunchback. Let's go. Oh. Hindsight didn't work again, but first fish of the trip. Just got hit on the hunchback down in there. In the reeds. He's got me in the reeds. Oh, there he is. He's in there. I can see him. And a nice reed to hook himself in it. Classic. This is not how to land a cod. Oh, he's gone. Try to pull him out with the reed. He fell off. Oh well. Alright, that was a very quiet first session on the river. See the full moon's coming up behind me. Pretty dark. The last bit of sun is setting behind me. And I'm on the walk back to the car. Just that one smaller fish on surface that got off in the reeds. And that was the only action for the whole session. Don't really like this river. First time I've ever fished it. It's a lot shallower and not as snaggy as I thought. Not really big fish habitat, so that's all good. I had to come check it out. I knew there was cod in here, and I'm glad I come and checked it out because I can cross that one off the list. Another river I fished for cod, and I'm going to make a change tonight, and tomorrow morning I'm going to hit a new river. Hopefully the spark's been reignited. Big day of driving today for that pretty lousy session, so I'm really looking forward to getting into a few fish over the next few days. So hopefully the next spots are better than that. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the morning at a new river. Alright, just getting light. Probably a little bit late getting on the water this morning, but I'm at a new river and it looks amazing. Water's a little bit bigger than the last one. It's a lot clearer. I think there's cod here. Not entirely sure. So another big recon mission. Hopefully I can find a fish here pretty quickly. But yeah, I'm going to start casting because it's prime time. Hunchback just got hit. And man, he's not a big fish. Not a big fish, but it's nice to get a hit at least. They are in here. They are in here. Oh, I think that's a hybrid. It's a... Oh, it is a trout cod. Oh, it's a trout cod. Nice one. That's cool. That's cool. Catch a nice trout cod. I'll leave him in the water because these guys are a bit precious. Nice trout cod. Alright. There we go. He's beautiful little trout cod, that one. Nice way to start the morning. See if we can get a big Murray now. Sun's just about to come up, so top water bite will be going down, but cool to get a troutie. All right, lure's out. I'm not sure whether he's a hybrid with a Murray, this one, or whether he's an actual trout cod, but see that bottom jaw's shorter than the top jaw. It's a dead giveaway. He's got that dark line through his eye and a little bit different modelling. Let him go in this cool water. Thanks, buddy. Beautiful morning. All right, well, that's the end of another session. As you can see, the sun is well and truly out and on the water now, and only bought surf lures, so gonna make the long walk back to the car. Had about a 2-hour walk then. Water wasn't bad, wasn't as good as I expected, and just that one small trout cod, that was it. So back to the drawing board again, and I have to change spots again, try and find somewhere better than this. But yeah, I'm gonna walk back to the car now, a few k's back to the car, and have a feed. All right, we've had a big location change during the heat of the day. It got pretty warm today. Wasn't much going on, so I drove around and looked at a bunch of spots and decided where I want to fish. A completely new bit of water again. Just really trying all the options here. I want to find something new, fresh, and catch them good somewhere where I've never caught them before. So had a few hours preparation here. I've actually got the little roof topper, lives on. Got it in this little stream here, electric hooked up, little outboard on it. Just flew up this river here, some pretty dodgy rapid runs, but made it up here. And it's still about 4 o'clock, sun's pretty high, so it's looking pretty trouty here. I know there's cod here, well I think there's cod here, but I reckon I might be able to catch a trout. So I've got a little light rod there, T-tail on it. I'm gonna just go flick a few plastics to start this session off. Once that sun gets a bit lower, and then I'll make the change and start fishing with cod. But yeah, little rooftopper session. I'll probably just flick off the bank for trout here. I'll walk up here, and then once I start cod fishing, I'll just drift on down the river here. Hopefully the electric can steer me down the rapids and I don't end up capsizing. But yeah, I'm keen to get into it. Let's go. Oh, that was a good trout. Oh, that was a good fish. That was a good trout. How and why did he get off? I don't want to know. Oh, finally got hooks in one. Finally got hooks in one. Oh, kidding me. Just lost him right there. Oh my God. Okay, that was a very unsuccessful trout mission. Hooked a couple, both got off, but the sun has just dipped below that hill. So pushing off the bank now in the little boat and gonna start surfacing a few of the bigger logs. Might even throw a light soft plastic cast out of the boat if I see a good rapid. All right, let's go, you good thing. Man, this is a bit sketchy. Very sketchy. This is some seriously fast flow fishing. I haven't fished in anything this fast before. finally got a buff from a decent one. Bloody missed him, but what can you do? It's a good sign. Get a good buff like that, but probably only got another 10 minutes of light left. As you can see, the moon is up behind me there. Gonna keep casting. Alright, wow, no good tonight again. Missed that one good bite. It was a pretty nice fish. I would have liked to really get that one, but it's a good sign that there is better fish here and they are hitting the surface. So gonna sleep tonight in my troopy. Nice bed in the back of this, nice and warm, and hit it again in the morning, and then I'll make a call in the morning what the results are like, whether I stay here or whether I keep moving or whether I fully pack the boat up and do a big drift down the river. But yeah, happy that I got a buff, but would have been really nice to stick that fish. But anyway, I'm gonna have some Spanish mackerel and chips, and I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, good morning everyone. Coffee is on the go, and it is a nice foggy morning on the river, so keen to get into it. Gonna get out there, start casting. Got a bite in there. Came out. Are you kidding me? That was a big fish too. Are you kidding me? Came out. Oh my God. Oh, man, that hurts. It's a big fish. There goes my lure. That was a big fish, and it came out. And he totally had it too. Totally had the whole thing. Got him. Yes. Got him. Yes. All right. Just gonna head over to the bank here. Yes. Nice to get a fish. He's not big by any means, but so cool. Alrighty, there he is. There he is. Super stoked with that. So good to get one on the board. It's no monster, but very happy with him. Very happy. Tremor. Alright, Tremor's out. And this guy, good to get off the mark. One like this in the clear water. Thanks for coming, buddy. I'll let you go. See you out of here. All right, still foggy. See if I can get another one before the sun pops out. All right, good morning. It was a good morning. Nice to get a couple of bites. Spew and I missed the bigger one and hooked the smaller one, but oh well, I'll take it. Nice to get a couple of bites and a new bit of water, and I'm pretty confident now that if I spend a few days here, I could pin one of those bigger fish. And that was my goal for this trip, was to fish this completely new water right up the top of the Murray here. Fished it before, never done a trip like this in the boat, and never caught a really big one, a meatery. So I really want to get a meatery up here, tick this off the list, clear water meatery. They're a lot harder to catch than elsewhere, and also I want to try and catch it on surface. So making it a little bit harder for myself, but if I can dedicate a week to it and get one, I'll be bloody stoked. And had that opportunity this morning. Maybe the fish wasn't quite a metre, but it would have gone pretty close. So pretty happy with that. And had a little bit of engine dramas on the way back up here, but got it sorted, got it going. That's why the cover's off. I'm just gonna eat some 2-minute noodles now for brekkie. It's about 10 o'clock, surf spite's over. So I reckon I might actually run up one of these tributaries here and have a bit of a flick for a trout in the middle of the day. And then Will Curtin's coming this afternoon and going to jump in with me for the next couple of days. Tell you what, it's going to be tight. 2 people on the rooftopper, but with 2 cars, we're going to do some drifts down the river and yeah, hopefully cover a heap of water and find that top water meatery. So yeah, I'm going to have something to eat and then I might go see if I can catch a trout. How's that to start the little trout session? Tiny little reddy. Not bad, that's a beast of a rainbow. Kidding. Look how fat it is. That thing is turbo. There we go, not a bad rainbow. Start off the session. Hopefully you can get a couple walking up here on the T-tail. Let him go. Thanks, buddy. Oi, don't go in there. Brownie. Got the double. Got the double.
Mate, you barely had time to kick your reel into gear.
Yeah, he's all over it. Oh, he's gone. You bugger. Not a bad fish. All right, Will's joining me on the fishing the next couple of days. Straight into it.
Not bad.
Nice little brownie. Hopefully we can get a cod tonight, eh? Coloured up, man. Epic looking brownie. Same thing, cast it in, belted instantly. Oh. Yeah. Alright, that was awesome to get a couple of trout during the day like that with Will. But we're just making our way, walking back down to the boat now. Going to jump in the boat and head back down towards the cars. Might throw a bit of subsurface for a cod on the way. While it's during the middle of the day like this, hopefully we can snag a cod as well. That'd be good, but nice to get some trout. Mid-water, man. Mid-water. Oh no. Oh no. What did he get me in? Oh, got him out. Man, he's going off. Crazy. Not a bad fish. Just drifting down here. Just after having a trout fish. Thought I'd throw a swim bait. Got clunked. Wow, maybe we can get them on swim baits during the day. Alright, there we go. Pretty stoked with him for a middle of the day bite on a swim bait. Maybe have a bit of a go at that over the next couple of days. I don't know what he'd be, probably 75 or 80 something, maybe. Pop the hooks out him, get him back. Alright, nice daytime one on a swim bait. Want to go, buddy? Alright, just pushed off the bank for the Arvo session. Fully loaded the boat up for a drift this Arvo. And before I even get the camera out, Will's just going for a little subsurface action. Yeah, he's a quality fish, man. Better than my one before.
Oh, good.
Ooh, loves a bit of cod thumb.
No, hates it.
Hates it?
Actually hates it.
Yes. Beautiful, man. Quality fish. Alright, you gonna send him?
Oh.
Whoop. Whoop. He hates cod thumb. Got you right at the end of there. Alright. Sun has just gone below the hill over there. Top water's going on. Morale's high after Will just got that fish. I got the one on the swim bait today. Hopefully we'll get a big surface explosion tonight. And I'll do a cast better than that. Yep. Nice work. Him in the boat. Cut.
Silly, eh? Just that green, pretty looking fish.
Yeah. Cool looking fish. Alright, let's get another one. Alright, this is camp for the night. Having a few snags here. Set up the swags right by the river. Not too bad. Yeah, Will got that one fish, then missed another one on surface. And that was it for the afternoon. So hopefully tomorrow morning we find a big one. And we can show you that. But for now, polish off this last snag. Roll the swag out. Have an early night under the full moon. See if we can get him tomorrow. Alright, good morning. As you can see, sun is just coming up. Nice foggy morning again. Having a coffee. Not quite as cold as yesterday. Still a bit of fog around though, so let's get into it, see if we can get a big one on top. Tiny. Small is that though? It's like small. Right there. Amazing that there's a fish there 2 days in a row. Get on in there. Straight in there, bro. Oh! You see it stuck on his nose? Did you see that? Yeah. Throw in here. Boof. Miss.
That was fine, yeah.
Oh, he hit it again. That was microscopic. I wouldn't say tiny, I'd more say microscopic trout cod. That was a trout cod boof for sure. Oh, he's still on it, man. He just swirled on it right there. He came out all the way off the log.
Today for nothing, eh?
Oh, there's a log in there too where you went, oh, look at that. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
What was that? 4 in one cast.
He was on you. That's gold. He's just moving down with the flow like, yeah, what's up? Got him. Got him. Oh, come on. Come on. All right, we pulled up on the bank here. It's a tough morning. Well, we got 7 surface bites and didn't pin a single fish. Well, we pinned a couple and had them on for a few seconds that they got off. So we just had some bacon and eggs. We've actually looked at the flows. They've halved the flow. So over the next 5-hour period, the river's going to go to half the size it is now, which is going to be interesting. But yeah, middle of the day now. We're just going to go have a bit of a walk, have a flick off the bank, get out of this little boat and see if we can catch one walking off the bank. See if we can get hooks in one. See how we go. There's one. Only a wee tacker. Only a little guy. Nice yet orange spots though. Plastic back, thanks mate. Alright, went and caught a couple of trout then for a bit of a break during the middle of the day. Now late again. Time to get casting some surface. Back drifting down the river. We checked the forecast and there is 30 mil forecast for tonight. So this will probably be the last session. If we get 30 mil overnight, that's going to dirty up the river. It'll make it hard to fish. It's hard enough to fish how it is already. So yeah, it's the last ditch effort tonight. Hopefully we can pin a big one on surface. Good conditions for it anyway, right before a storm. That's filthy. That is filthy.
Mate, you full jinxed yourself. They caught a couple, but...
Alright, just got back in the car, boat's on the roof. That was another bloody tough session. Another 2 buffs this afternoon. I think that makes like 10 plus buffs for the day, and we didn't pin a single fish, which is just crazy. super tough day in that respect, and we've got the boat on the roof now. It's already started raining, so it is not looking good. Definitely ended the sessions for us, but that's okay. Some trips just go like this, you know. I didn't know whether to put this video up or not, but you know, this is how it is a lot of the time. I don't catch the big ones, you know. I usually only put up stuff where I do have successful trips, but sometimes it's just the way it goes. I wouldn't say it's an unsuccessful trip. Still caught plenty of fish, explored some new water, and I'll be better for it the next time I come up here. But that's just the way it goes sometimes. A couple of those fish, if I would have pinned them, it would have really made the trip. But yeah, that's just the way cod fishing is, and it's already started flogging down rain, so Will and I are going to head up to Googong and have a fish there the next couple of days instead of fishing in a dirty river. So that's it for the video, guys. Bit of a different one, this one. Not smashing big fish, but just the way it is sometimes, still catching fish. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I'll leave links in the description for the lures that I used and the gill fishing wear. That gill fishing wear is awesome. If you use the code COLBYFREESHIP, you get free shipping on any of it. But yeah, thanks for watching another video, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. I've got 4 videos coming over the next 4 weeks, so stay tuned. Cheers, guys.